Hello everyone. In this video I will guide you how you can delete a comment from your Instagram post. It's super easy. Let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. It will take to your profile. Now here select the post from which you want to delete a comment. I will select this one. Now you can see that there is one comment on this post. Let's delete that. Tap in the comment icon. It will take you to all the comments. Now here I have a comment saying beautiful. Let's delete it. To delete this comment, tap on it and keep your finger on the screen for a second. The comment has been selected. Now you will be able to see three icons on the top right corner. Tap on the far right one that looks like a bin. And here your comment has been deleted. I hope this video helped you. For more such videos, just subscribe my channel.